Joshi. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about example 12.4 and 12.6. Dear students, please pay attention how to solve the numericals. आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है और ये समझना है कौन कौन सी चीजें आपको दी गई है. You have to just analysis. You have to just analyze the thing. Okay, dear students. Now, the potential difference between the terminal of an electric heater is 60 watt. ये क्या है? Potential difference. Okay. That potential difference V1 equals to 60 volt. When it's draw a current of 4 ampere, I1 equals to 4 ampere from the source. What current will the heater produce if the PD is increased to 120 volt? Means वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं? If the potential difference of the terminal is 60 watt, means V1 equals to 60, then current is 4 ampere. Okay, if potential difference has become 120, okay, then what is the current? It is clear, dear students, in your mind? Question is clear? Means we have to find out that I2. We have to find that is I2. Okay, how to find I2, dear students? Please pay attention. आपको ये तो पता है कि आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला है on the basis of ओहम V equals to IR. अभी इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर ही है, उसका रेजिस्टेंस तो चेंज नहीं होने वाला, वो कांस्टेंट है. So V divided by I equals to R. First time V1 I1. So R equals to V1 was 60, I1 was 4. It means it is 15 ohm. So dear students, you are getting R equals to 15 ohm. Okay. Now please pay attention. V2 equals to I2 R. I2 equals to V2 divided by R. V2 was 120, R is constant, dear students. It is 15. So answer is 8 ampere. So I2 is 8 ampere. I hope you are able to understand this sum. Thank you, dear students. Now one more, that is 12.6. A wire of given material having length L. एक वायर है, उसके पास जो लेंथ है वो कितनी है? L. तो मैं लिखूंगा L1 equals to L. And cross section area A has a resistance and area A. उसके पास एरिया है, वो कितना है? A. तभी उसके पास रेजिस्टेंस कितना है? 4. Means R equals to 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of the same material? उसका मटेरियल सेम है, having length. अभी उसके पास जो लेंथ है उसको हम L2 बोलेंगे, वो कितना है? L by 2. और एरिया जो है उसके पास A2, वो कितना है? 2A. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? R2. आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है? R1. Dear students, it is now simple. See, wire, material having length L. So what I wrote? L1 equals to L. Area is A. So A1 equals to A. Resistance has 4 ohm. R1 equals to 4. Okay. Now what they are saying? What would be the resistance? आपको resistance find करना है, means R2. कब? जब लेंथ L/2 हो जाएगी, L2 इक्वल्स टू L/2 और एरिया डबल हो जाएगा, A इक्वल्स टू 2A। ठीक है, ओके। सो हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है, वो फॉर्मूला कौन सा है प्यारे बच्चों? यस, करेक्ट, R इक्वल्स टू रो, yes yes, come on, R equals to rho L upon A. Good. So I can write in this way, R1 equals to rho is constant, L1 divided by A1. Equation number 1. R2 equals to rho L2 divided by A2. Equation number 2. Okay. Now what I have to find? R2. So I will write in this way, dividing equation 2 by equation 1. हमें क्या करना है? इक्वेशन 2 को डिवाइड करना है। किससे डिवाइड करना है? R1 से। So R2 divided by R1 इक्वल्स टू R2 क्या है? रो L2 डिवाइडेड बाय A2। ठीक है। R1 क्या है? रो L1 डिवाइडेड बाय A1। सो कैंसिल क्या हो गया? रो। क्लियर? ओके। अभी आप देखिए, यहां तक सब क्लियर? ओके। Which thing is remaining, dear students? R2 by R1 equals to L2 A1 divided by A2 L1. Okay? Yes. Now R2 by 4, R1 कितना है? 4 इक्वल्स टू L2 कितना है? L by 2, सिर्फ ये लिखा हमने। A1 is A, okay, written। A2 that is 2A, okay, written 2A। L1 is L, okay, written। Now see, L, which thing is remaining? R2 divided by 4 equals to 1 by 4. Now this 4 will be multiplied here. So R2 equals to 4 by 4 means 1 ohm. I hope you are able to understand this both examples. If you are not able to understand, dear students, then please go through this video once again. Okay? Thanks for watching this video, dear students. Thank you very much.